Hi, this is Ali Mendoza. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use proven marketing strategies to make a living with affiliate marketing. Let's recap what we covered in the previous videos. Most affiliate marketers are doomed to fail. They're making fatal mistakes that are based on false beliefs. They're focused on the wrong marketing activities and strategies that usually fail to deliver results. Instead of focusing on marketing activities that can generate traffic, sales, and profits quickly, struggling affiliates spend most of their days creating content for their blogs and sites. Creating lots of content is very time-consuming. It's like a full-time job in itself. You end up with never having time for anything else. Looking back, I think this was the most painful part of being a newbie affiliate marketer. I didn't have much time for anything else, except for blogging and writing articles. There wasn't much time to spend with loved ones. There wasn't even much time for myself. Just like most newbies, I was hoping that my sacrifice would eventually lead to a surge of SEO-related free traffic, as well as sales and profits. But in spite of all my hard work, the surge of free traffic, sales, and profits never came. The drudgery of creating so much content drained all my time and energy, but never really delivered much payoff. Finally, I was fed up with all of the hard work and zero results. I started looking for a better way to make a living with affiliate marketing. The good news? Through the process of trial and error, I found a better way, and it's actually simple. Imagine this scenario. What if you could work a lot less and earn more? What if you could get targeted traffic on demand for any product or service? What if you could convert your traffic to sales and profits? What if you could have a reliable affiliate marketing system that generates income streams over and over again? Having a system that allows you to earn actual spendable income from your blog, site, and online business can make a big difference in your life. Having enough pay-the-bills cash can take a lot of the pressure off. You can concentrate on making big money and growing your online business. Sounds like a stretch? I used to think so too, until it happened to me. I want to show you an affiliate marketing system that I developed. This is the exact system I used to beat the odds and make money as a newbie. I created the Rapid Affiliate Marketing Profits course. This allows me to share with you what works and what doesn't work, what to do and what not to do. The course will help you learn how to get targeted traffic on demand, quick sales, and profits. In this screenshot, I'm showing you over $29,000 I earned from just one affiliate offer. I used Bing Ads and Google AdWords. And what actually happened is that the first $5,000 or so, I started with Bing Ads, but when I started using Google AdWords, I was able to increase my return of investments to double up to quadruple. What that means is that for every dollar I spent, I was able to get $2 to $4. As you can see, my conversion rate was as high as 38%. This is very high. If you don't know, the average conversion rate for typical pay-per-click campaign is about 2%. The range is usually from 1% to 3%. So 38% is sky high. Anyway, I will be showing you other screenshots on how you can start from scratch and then end up with a very profitable marketing campaign, just like this one. I started using this marketing system to promote various products and services in different niches in 2010. Around March 2010, I finally had the guts to apply to the top CPA affiliate networks in the country, and I was able to get accepted. CPA affiliate networks are different from the typical what's called cost per sale affiliate marketing programs. Basically, you don't usually have to sell anything to generate a commission. Instead, you're going to be giving away free stuff. For example, you can get a commission for giving away coupons, free cards, free downloads, free recipes, free information such as free codes for insurance or health insurance and other insurance products. And the commissions are usually a lot higher. So it's not only easier to give away stuff, the commissions are also much higher. For example, you can get commissions as high as a couple $100, 400, 600 or 800, even as high as 1,000 to $5,000. But you can also make money even with the smaller commissions. If you're just giving away affiliate offers, people will sign up for those things. As a matter of fact, my first $1,000 marketing campaign, $1,000 a day, was just promoting something that generated $2.25 commission for, I think it was reincarnation information. So you can imagine how many conversions I had to get over $1,000 every day. Okay, so let's see. In this course, I'll show you exactly how I create profitable marketing campaigns starting from scratch, so you can do it too. You can easily duplicate the marketing system I've developed to create your own income streams. You can use the same exact system to promote any product or service and create multiple income streams over and over again. You learn how to use secret shortcuts along with proven marketing strategies to create a surge of targeted traffic on demand. This traffic surge can make your affiliate sales and profits soar. Let's face it, the odds are stacked against most entrepreneurs trying to make a living online. The Rapid Affiliate Marketing Profits course can help stack the odds in your favor. I created this course in order to help you avoid wasting your time on ineffective affiliate marketing strategies. They can delay your progress for months or years. They can even increase your risk of failure. I've been there. I know how hard it can be to figure out how to get results when you're just starting out. I remember how tough it was for me when I was a newbie. I remember all the frustrations and the overwhelming fear that I wasn't going to make it. I spent a lot of sleepless nights worrying about failing. The sad thing is that when I was a newbie, I wasted thousands of dollars buying information products that teach entrepreneurs about these ineffective marketing strategies. I wasted even more time and money and effort by trying to get results using these strategies, and I failed miserably. My big mistake unnecessarily delayed my progress. When I was struggling to get results, I was dealing with nagging self-doubt and overwhelming fear that I would run out of money and end up stuck in my 9-to-5 full-time job. I was working so hard, but I was still struggling to make money online. I even thought about quitting, but I'm so glad I didn't give in to the frustration and despair. Instead, I started testing, tracking, and analyzing all the strategies I used. I started ignoring the gurus and all the supposedly common sense wisdom these experts were sharing and selling. I only relied on the results of my own marketing test, and I just followed the money. As I learn more, I also earn more. In this course, I'm going to show you the exact strategies that I use to turn things around and finally boost my traffic, sales, and profits. These powerful strategies can work for anyone, even if you don't have a lot of time. You can work anytime, as little or as much as you want. You don't need any experience or special talent to generate targeted traffic on demand, quick sales, and profits. It's like paint by numbers. You just need to follow a simple formula to start earning commissions from scratch. I've always hated getting stuck on failing to get results because of missing steps from information products I purchased in the past. When I created this course, I definitely did not want any missing steps and information to get in your way of getting results. You'll get step-by-step guides, fill-in-the-blanks templates, screenshots, videos, copy and paste shortcuts. You can use these repeatedly to create multiple income streams. You can have what I never had: someone to guide you and teach you these powerful shortcuts that took me years to discover, tweak, and fine-tune. I streamlined the whole system to make it more user-friendly for beginners as well as struggling affiliate marketers. I know that after struggling for a while, you start to lose your confidence, so I simplified the whole system for everyone. Imagine if you could harness the power of unlimited sources of traffic to skyrocket your sales and profits. How much money would you make? Most struggling affiliate marketers don't know this. Even if you have a new site and you're getting zero traffic, you can still make money promoting products and services. You don't have to depend on your site traffic to generate sales and conversions. You have many sources of unlimited traffic. Many sites have millions or billions of visitors. You can direct their traffic to your site or whatever you're selling. If you can learn how to drive this traffic to your site, you can skyrocket your sales and profits fast. For example, there are over 11.94 billion searches on Google every month. This can bring thousands of visitors to your site day after day. The Google Display Network serves over 1 trillion impressions for advertising every month. Your promotions can reach over 90% of internet users all over the world. Facebook has over 2 billion monthly active users. It can be a huge source of traffic for you, even if you don't have any followers or friends. In addition, you can also get massive traffic from Bing, Yahoo, MSN, AOL, and many other traffic platforms. Imagine if you could harness these sources of unlimited traffic. How much money do you think you could make? Why wait months or years trying to get free traffic when you can buy rapid results for as little as $5 or even $1? Most people are afraid that they would lose a lot of money if they use paid traffic, but this is not true. If you have a marketing campaign that is not making money for you, you're going to stop running it immediately. There's only one reason to continue running a marketing campaign. It's paying for itself and it's also making money. You can actually get paid traffic for free because the campaign pays for itself. Here's the best part. You don't have to settle for just getting paid traffic for free. You can also end up making more money. If you could make $2 profit for every dollar you spend, how much money would you spend to keep making more and more money? You would spend as much money as possible. And you can keep multiplying that dollar into $2, $4, $6, and much more. Paid marketing strategies can offer you the fastest path to getting traffic, sales, and profits. So change your mindset. If you're trying to leave an unfulfilling 9-to-5 full-time job, isn't it worth it to you to learn how you can get rapid results? The purpose of using paid marketing strategies is to get sales and profits quickly. You can start getting sales within hours or days. You can maximize your traffic, sales, and profits by tweaking your marketing campaigns. Once you have a profitable campaign, you're not just getting your paid traffic for free, you're making more and more money. The course can help you overcome the most common roadblocks that keep most entrepreneurs from making a living online. If you do what most affiliate marketers are doing, you will end up failing too. You need to focus on reliable, predictable, and profitable marketing strategies that will generate traffic on demand, quick sales and profits, and also do that day after day, month after month. In this course, I'll show you exactly how I create profitable campaigns starting from scratch, so you can do it too. You can use the same exact system to promote any product or service and create multiple income streams over and over again. Click the button below to get started with the Rapid Affiliate Marketing Profits course now. You can claim the special offer by using the coupon codes shown below. Here's the only thing. The limited time offer is not available anywhere else or at any other time. With the discount and the no hassle, love it or get your money back guarantee, you can't lose. Thank you for watching this video. Click the link below to get started now.